Yun, ano ta kasayon ang pag-transfer of money from GoTime Bank to your GCash account. First, open your GoTime apps. And then, after that, enter the password of your cell phone. And then, open na siya. Na-open ng imong GoTime. Makita imong balance diha. Then, click my account. Para i-copy ang imong account number if in case kinahanglanon. After that, mga tudayon ka sa send transfer, then makita ka dag GCash or G exchange, click that one and then type the amount or enter the amount you like to transfer. Makita nimo siya yung account number and account name, then transfer for what. Okay, just click whatever you want, then tadan, you transferred, and then type your passcode again, and tadan, you have successfully transferred the amount of money you want to transfer in your GCash account. Then afterwards, go back to your home screen and then click your GCash apps and then enter once again your PIN. After that, go to the transaction history to check if you have successfully received the money from your GoTime Bank, and then tadan, you have successfully transferred it. And then just in case, check the balance and log out your account in GCash. And that's it. I hope you have learned something from my video tutorial. Thank you for learning. Bye bye.